Hey guys, thanks for your interest in working with us. My name is Ryan with Pro Comfort Control. This is Jeff. Been working with him on this project here in Framingham, Massachusetts on a heat pump installation. So Jeff, how did your installation go?
Oh, it's great. But the whole thing has been a great experience because it was installed on December 9th and 10th in 2 days. But back in November, one of my two heating systems broke. I have one for each floor here. And then I tried to get quotes from various people and got nowhere on how heat pumps will work and so on, even though I'd been looking into this for a year. But then I sent an email to Mitsubishi Online Support, and then they sent me Ryan, who is like a gift from God in terms of trying to understand whether this would work, because I have a ducted system. And so he came over and told me the whole deal, including financing and how the engineering of the system would work. It was sized right. And so I got a really good feel that it was right. So then I said yes to that, and the office took over and took me through the whole financing, 25 grand mass heat loan, 10 grand rebate from the state. I ended up replacing my entire system here for 25 grand, and it was just an amazing experience because it happened in 2 weeks, and then the install happened in 2 days, and then it's been running like a charm since that point.
So Jeff, with the cold temperatures today, is your house warm?
Yeah, it's toasty. In fact, the upper level, we always used to have a bit of trouble at the further part of the house. The furnace is down this end and the bedroom's up the other end. It used to get a bit cold, but now this system heats it better than it used to with gas. And the lower floor is also great. And you can control the fan speed to adjust it. If you're not getting enough heat, you can get more and so on. So it's really, really terrific. It's better. And I think the biggest notion is panic when your heat system breaks. And what matters is quick response, and we got that. And then time frame to finance and get the installation done, and we got that. And so the whole experience was pretty remarkable that way, because there's nothing. I managed rental real estate for 40 years, and heat out in winter is one of the worst things you can have. So this was replacing the entire system rapidly. I can't imagine it being better. So that was a really big deal. Plus it's so remarkable now because I can be out of the house and control the heat. I control the fan speed. I can program it to go up and down. So the control end of it's really good. It's just marvelously simple.
So Jeff, having a gas system previously and then converting to a full heat pump ducted whole home heat pump system, would you say you're satisfied? Are you comfortable? Would you recommend to others to convert to a green energy heat pump system?
Yeah, I mean, I had some experience with this before because I did a renovation in Brookline of a 3-family I used to own, and we did Mitsubishi Hyperheats there, which are now in their 3rd year of operation, so I know it really works. But there's a lot of misinformation goes around there about heat pumps not going down below 20 degrees or this and that now. It's all nonsense. These goes down to -10. Mitsubishi Hyperheats are just marvelous. But now I'm actually in the zone with it. This is one of the best things that happened to me in my life, is putting these things, because I got solar on the roof now, and now I got heat pumps, so I'm gone completely green. It's amazing to me, and there's money to be made here ultimately, because electric costs have been going up and up and up and up, and you get these discounts now. So financially, I think it's a really great thing. I got a totally new system here at fairly low cost.
So guys, you can trust heat pumps. They will keep you warm in the coldest of days. If you're interested in seeing how one of these systems could change your day-to-day, please reach out and one of our team members will assist you.